Lesson 6, Work or Jobs. Here are the vocabulary words: businessman, chef, journalist, lawyer, nurse, police officer, personal assistant, teacher, volunteer, work in, work with, work for, apply for a job, earn a good salary, help people, travel the world. Work benefits vocabulary. Use languages. Work flexible hours. Work for a well known company. Work in a modern office. Work with different people. Qualifications. Training. Part time job. That's it. Thank you so much. Goodbye.